In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find charts and indicators on eToro. To get started, the first thing you need to do is sign into your eToro account. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to access the platform's tools and market pages. Make sure you're on the main dashboard so you can easily navigate to the asset you want to review. Next, go to the search bar and type in the asset you want to find. This can be a stock, cryptocurrency, ETF, commodity, or another available market on eToro. For example, you can search for BTC if you want to look at Bitcoin. As you type, eToro will show matching results, which makes it quicker to find the exact asset you're looking for. When you see the asset in the search results, click on it to open its dedicated page. This page gives you access to more detailed information, including price movement, statistics, and trading-related tools. If you're trying to analyze an asset before making a decision, this is where the useful charting features begin. At the top of the asset page, select the Chart tab. This will open the chart view, where you can visually track the asset's price activity over time. The chart is especially useful because it helps you understand trends, momentum, and recent market behavior in a much clearer way than just looking at a price number alone. Once the chart is open, look for the indicators icon on the chart toolbar. This is the section that lets you add technical indicators to your chart. Indicators are tools traders often use to help interpret market data, identify trends, and spot possible entry or exit points. Click the indicators icon, then browse through the available options and choose the indicator you want to use. Depending on your strategy, you might select something that helps show trend direction, momentum, or market strength. If you're new to chart analysis, it can be helpful to start with one indicator at a time so the chart stays easy to read. After choosing your indicator, apply it so it appears on the chart. Once it loads, you'll be able to see the added visual data directly over the chart or in a separate panel, depending on the type of indicator you selected. This gives you a more detailed view of how the asset is behaving. Finally, take a moment to review the chart and analyze it using the indicator you added. Look at how the indicator interacts with the price movement and use that information to better understand the market. The more you practice using charts and indicators, the more comfortable and confident you'll become when reading them. Thanks for watching.